day 14 of the Daily Arithmetic Challenge. Okay, on the screen now are the first 6 questions for you to have a go at. Pause your screen, have a go, unpause, there are a couple more on the next slide, 10 in total, and once you've done all of them, we'll go through the answers. Okay, time to go through the answers. Number 1, nice and simple. This is the very early stages of the arithmetic paper, so nothing here that you should really find too confusing. You probably won't even really need to use the methods like I have shown you here. You might be able to do these ones in your head. So the first one, 39 add 673 is 712. As you can see, I've used column method there. Number 2, 9 11ths subtract 4 11ths. Again, a nice easy one because your denominators are already the same, so it's literally just 9 take away 4, which is 5, and then your 11ths stay the same. Number 3, 2 times 45. So I've done this in method, but again, you could have done this in your head. You could have done 2 times 5 and then 2 times 40, but altogether that totals 90. Number 4, 838 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1 is exactly the same number. Just means 1 goes into that number exactly the same amount of time. Number 5, 99 divided by 11. There would be no need for you to do a division method here because you should just know your 11 times tables and you would be able to know that 11 times 9 is 99. Number 6, 5 times 4 times 10. Okay, it's almost an order of operations question, except it's the same operation twice. So the first thing that I did was 4 times 5, or 5 times 4, which is 20, and then multiplied my answer by 10, which gives me 200. Alright, number 7, we've got 7,064 subtract 502. I've used simple column method to do this. 4 take away 2 is 2, 6 take away 0 is 6, 0 take away 5 I cannot do, so I've exchanged from the 7. That becomes a 6, and then I move down my 1 place value, so I now have 10 take away 5, which is 5, and 6 take away nothing, which is 6. Number 8, 6 squared plus 10. So this is really basic order of operations question. So 6 squared is 6 times 6. 6 sixes are 36. Remember, it is 6 times 6 and not 6 times 2. So once you've done 6 sixes, which are 36, you then add the 10, which is 46. Number 9, 56.38 add 24.7. Most important thing in this question is to get your decimal points in the correct places. They always go on top of each other. And as you can see in the 24.7, I've actually put a 0, a placeholder there, just so that I can see that there's no value in that column. And then do a straightforward addition, remembering to put my decimal point in my answer, which gives me the answer 81.08. And last but not least, number 10. So this is something subtract 10 is 298. So it's a mystery number question. Essentially, the answer that you give has got to be 10 more than 298 because you've taken 10 away to get the answer. So you're doing the inverse operation, which is adding 298 add 10 is 308.